Hey everyone, welcome back. Yes, I'm alive. Sorry I vanished for a while, but I'm back with something super cute. I was just casually exploring a store, aka trying not to buy things, and then I found this coloring book. It has so many cute characters that my self-control immediately left the chat. This mermaid right here? She chose me. I had no choice. And it comes with stickers of all the characters too, which immediately made me feel like a kid again. I mean, coloring and stickers? That's a win. Alright, let's color this. First up, her hair. I went with pink because realism is overrated. I kept it soft and pastel so she looks dreamy. Not like she lost a fight with a neon marker. Next, the blush, because every cute character needs that. I just got complimented glow. I kept it light and soft, so she looks adorable, not embarrassed. Now the face, hands, and ears. I kept the skin tone nice and smooth. Blended gently, and tried not to overdo it because once you mess up the face, there's no emotional recovery. Flowers next, then the tail, the real main character, soft pastels, lots of layering, trust the process. And finally the top, simple, cute, and balanced. After that, I added a white highlighter for extra shine because everything looks better with a little sparkle. To finish it off, I added the matching mermaid sticker right above because if there's a sticker, it must be used. No exceptions. And here she is, cute, colorful, and living her best underwater life. Comment who I should color next, and yes, I'll probably use another sticker, like subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for waiting for me, and I'll see you next time.